So welcome for today's class of Tally ERP 9. So let us see how to open this Tally ERP 9. Okay. Let us learn something about this. Okay, wait. I hope you all can see this clearly. Okay. Can you all see this clearly? Now you all have to go on this on work in education mode. So here work in education mode is there. So go on work in education mode, silver education mode, single user, click that. So you'll have to click this. Okay, just click this. Now how you all are going to create a company? Just go on this create company and then click this. Yeah, so here as you all can see, I hope you all can see this clearly. A name of the company you all can keep Raj Enterprises. Anything you all can keep, okay? Then India address also you all can write any address like anything you all can write, okay? Address. So India and then state you all can write down. So I'm from Delhi, so I'll write Delhi. And then telephone number 253, any random number. Then any mobile number you all can type. So okay, total 10 numbers should come. Then fax number, email, if website if it's there you all can do. Otherwise just put enter and enter. Okay, so the company has been created, Raj Enterprises. The company has been created now. So in today's video I have taught you all how to create a company. Okay, so thanks for watching, and in the next class I will teach you all how to create the ledgers, everything. Okay, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, share with the friends, press the bell icon for more updates. If you all have any doubts, queries, comment below.